Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can make this pretty cool banner with just your Android phone. So now let's get started. So guys, first step is open Pixel Lab. The link of the Pixel Lab is in the description below. You can download it from the link in the description. So now what you have to do is just click on this pen button and click once again. So now write here your text. I'll write your text here, your text, and click on OK. So now just go to A button and search for the fonts. Here's the AB, that's called font, and go to my fonts, and here's the font name Dr. Glitch, and I will just increase the size of the text just like this. And now I will go to this button and transparent the text, and I will save it from here, format to PNG, dimension ultra, and save it to gallery, guys. So guys, I'm back here in Photoshop Touch. So now let's make a blank project with it will be 2560 by 1440. Then press OK. So here what you have to do is just plus a photo layer. I will give the images in the description below. I will take this one right here, and I will just increase the size of the image just like this, and I'll press on OK. Now what you have to do is just add one more photo layer and just add a YouTube banner. The link of this package will be in the description below, and just add it like this, and just go to this layer and go to GUYZ blur and add some GUYZ blur like this, and press on OK. So I'll add a photo layer from here, and I will go to Pixel Lab folder and just add your text from here just like this, and press on OK. Now go to this and select the pixels and go to Add button and go to gradient, and here I'll be using this gradient right here, and press on OK. Now what you have to do is just click here and make some duplicate layers of it and press on done, and check the blend mode to liner dodge, and this one also to liner dodge. Go to GUYZ blur and make it to 127, press on OK, and this also to 127 just like this, then press on OK. And now what you have to do is just decrease the opacity to like 31%, this also like this. And now what you have to do is just go to the main layer and add a glow to it. I'll add a black color glow just like this, and I will add it one more time, and now I'll add a drop shadow to it just like this. And now I'll go back to this and I will increase the size. So our half work is done. Now just select it from here and just clear it From here also clear this. So guys, just go to select pixel and just clear it. Go to this layer and clear it as well. So guys, now you have to save it to your gallery. From here to save to gallery and PNG and press on OK. So now you get something like this. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos better than this. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.